Exploring a unique cough remedy. Ever thought nature's gifts could be your medicine? All right, here's something intriguing. In the serene heart of the countryside, where Mother Nature herself reveals her treasures, we delve into the power of a simple apple cider vinegar and honey tonic. Combine these golden ingredients, let them dance in warm water, creating a potion that soothes and nurtures. The alchemy of tangy vinegar meets sweet honey releases a soothing embrace for a persistent cough. It's your countryside wellness hack waiting to be discovered. Try it. Embrace the relief. Don't forget, like for more enchanting tips, comment your thoughts below, and subscribe to keep the natural wisdom flowing.